Mark John Maralit.
Okay, good morning po, sir. Itatanong ko lang po is, pwede po bang i-transfer sa ibang tao ang PhilHealth card mo? And if ever, how much ang pwede mong paggamit sa kanya?
Hindi po. Pero kung may misis ka, ilan po misis niya?
Wala pa po.
Wala
I mean,
pa.
kasi...
Kasi
Opo.
kasi yung misis niyo dependent niyo.
Opo.
Kahit kung allowed po kayo legally ng hanggang 4, lahat sila pwede. So you don't need to transfer. They have to be your dependent. But if you're talking of transferring it to somebody else,
Opo.
not your wife, not your child less than 21, wala po. Hindi pwede po ganun.
So, less than 21 years old lang po ang pwedeng, if ever, sa child mo.
We presume kasi that children less than 21 are still dependents of the parents. So yun po yung legal presumption na ginamit natin.
Okay, salamat po.
But of course, if you're working at less than 21, then you are mandatorily required to pay your PhilHealth premium. So kung 18 anyos ka, talagang you're already nagtatrabaho, bayad ka.
So, ito naman po isa pang tanong is, if ever, yung father mo is nagtatrabaho sa government, tapos meron siyang PhilHealth, and then hindi ka niya naisali or na-forget niya na isali ka sa mga...
Less than 21.
Apo, less than 21, na-forget ka niya na bilang independent.
Okay. Sa dating paraan, sa ngayon, nangyari yan, di ba? Medyo may problema ka. Kailangan ka pumunta pa sa PhilHealth office, no? Kailangan ka magpa-update ng data mo. Kung malayong PhilHealth office na yun, medyo biyahe ka, pipila ka, kukuha ka ng tinatawag na amendment to the member data record. Ngayon na may PhilHealth Cares, hindi na po ganyan.
Okay.
Pupunta ka sa PhilHealth Cares, kakausapin mo, siyang pupunta, siya magche-check, pakita mong datos o proof na ikay talagang anak, and that PhilHealth Cares will sign off. So, hindi ka na kailangan lumabas ng hospital as long as the PhilHealth Care is there.
Apo.
Now, of course, kung wala siya, sumbong nyo sa amin kasi papalitan natin. Dapat
Apo.
nandun eh.
At tas ito na lang.
Hanapin nyo lang yung the green
Shirt.
and yellow shirt. Okay? So, 8 to 5. Pero kung gabi,
And last question na lang po. How much po yung pwede mong ipagamit sa anak mo if ever kailangan talaga? Or half ba ng...
medyo komplikadong sagot yan eh. Because the way the card benefit scheme is designed, the difference between the principal and the member is simply that the principal has 45 days of admission that's covered, while the dependents have to share the 45 days. So the answer could be he actually has the same,
Apo.
but that may also be incorrect because so it's a complicated answer because the current benefit scheme of PhilHealth is complicated. We're simplifying it po. With case rate, malamang the answer would be it's the same. But I cannot give you that answer now because we haven't really transitioned or shifted all of our benefit payments or what we call a provider payment into case rate. Only approximately, right now the numbers that coming up, about half of our claims is case rate, the other half is fee for service. Yung complicated one. So we are in that. Hopefully po, the next time we see each other next year, I'll be able to give you an answer na eksakto. Sa ngayon po, the transition is still happening.
Okay, thank you
Or
very
the
much po.
reform is still happening.